We're just wrapping up our first couple of weeks of the 2024 cohort of our Craftsmanship Academy. Our participants have been drinking from the fire hose as we teach them the basics of test-driven development, object-oriented design, and pair programming that we leverage on our projects every single day. These first couple weeks of the Academy are some of my favorite. It's a proving ground as we give the Academites these incremental challenges that they need to achieve, as well as constraints that'll help shape their thinking and way of working to produce habits that will serve them for the long term. Each assignment that they're given stretches them just a little bit, and the feedback that they receive helps them to cement their learning for their long-term application in the Academy and in their career to come.
So the first time they build Go Fish, they'll just do it solo, learning some of the test-driven development and object-oriented techniques. And then the second time they go through, they'll actually apply the pair programming techniques to learn how to collaborate and build together. Often this results in a better program because they've learned how to structure things from the first time and now are also getting to collaborate and learn from each other as they build it.
I have had to work with people a lot more this week, and so kind of better people working skills, and especially if I do pair program as if that's part of my career, that will be a very useful skill for me to learn, which I'm glad I'm learning it right now. So
getting a chance to redo something that you've done helps you to. It gives you a second chance for you to do it correctly. You just improve from your first iteration of it. Getting a chance to redo Go Fish was good because it led me to actually do test-driven development even more and to start doing it from a starting point that I should have taken in the past that I didn't.
I think my biggest takeaway from this week is the usefulness of test-driven development and how to properly use it, because before I had an idea of how it worked and I've played around with it, but really understanding that you make very specific tests and then only write the code that'll make those tests pass, and then refactor your tests to make them better and more in depth. I think that's probably the most impactful thing I've gathered from this week.
Our next segment of the Academy will focus on user experience design and applying that to front-end development. Follow along with us to see the cohort's progress.